Man, I finally got it to work though. But like, yes, I got it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you do all that. Now I'm about to watch some Family Guy. Ooh, yeah. Be my meat. Watching some porn.
I'm sorry, but we are not leaving Stewie by himself. We're going home.
No way.
There we go. We got it. This is Naringo. God, I'm in the air. Now go to close. Just go to close. Forget that. Go to bed.
They're watching Operation Dumbo 6 with Don Knotts.
Professor, you've got to impregnate this elephant or the entire species will become extinct.
You mean I gotta put this thing in that thing? Well, this is a job that's not worth the money.
Peter, watch the road.
Lois, get off my back.
There we go. Here it comes. I'll just take it. There we go, guys. I hacked it. Let's go. Now, it took a while to hack it. I just out there, you know. See, you can buy anything. Got everybody. See. Oh, shit. You're not gonna have these. You gotta do it. You know what I'm talking about. I'm 60. So I'm sorry, that made me mad too. Look at this. Nigga like, oh, Jack, hold up, oh, hey. I'm gonna show you what to do, guys. Now, you go to settings, you go to security, you go to now, oh no, search. Okay, suck my dick, bitch. That, whatever that is, now do this. Now press it again. Now look. And I'm gonna show you how to hack Hungry Shark later. And subscribe to Lizzie Jimmy LISSYJIMY. I like him because he be doing GTA updates. Alright, now what you wanna go is to Mega Mod servers. You wanna go to here. Oh, that's somebody. Or whatever. Now you wanna go scroll down. Now go to this. When you hit that, you better hurry up, spam it right now, cause it's gonna take you to something else. Now press OK. Now go to. I already have it downloaded, so you know why. So go to replace file. Well, when that's finished downloading, now when it finished downloading, you want to click it. Then you're gonna go to this. You're gonna go to this. Then no, I don't know what's going on today. It says it's downloading, but it's not. All right, see, I got it right now. So like once it's done downloading, click it, and it's gonna do this. See, I'm redoing it for y'all. So, cause I don't want it to be like I'm scamming y'all. See, now click that, but don't go to download. But like when it's finished downloading, when like you already downloaded, when it finished downloading, you want to scroll up and you want to press hit that, and you want to press install. It's gonna say next, then press install. But you know the routine, so I'm done here. Make sure you like, subscribe, and do whatever you can. Share. If you really want it that bad, I'll show you. But if it don't work, just let me know in a comment and I'll make a better video. So yeah, that's downloading. So alright, bye guys. Have a good day. Have a good night. It's like 4 a.m. I've been know how to hack this. I just didn't wanted to make it look raggedy, so you know. Alright, now have a good day, guys. Peace.